Hello all, welcome back to our channel. So students, in this video, damn sure questions of environmental studies, E.V.S examination questions we will discuss in this video. Previously, I have already uploaded the important questions related to this subject, but many of the students are asking gun shot questions, damn sure questions like that. So that's why I'm doing this video. So whatever the questions I'm giving, so be perfect with that questions ma. So E.V.S is actually a SEC paper, that is a Aecc paper, which is common for BCom, B.Sc, BBA, any stream, okay? So in this video, it will discuss a clear cut because whatever the questions I'm giving, that is enough for the preparation okay. So it's a 40 marks question paper and time is 1.5 hour. Examination timing is 40 marks question paper and the passing marks is 15 marks, okay. So this is the question paper, okay. So only 2 units you will have, students. The first unit is ecosystem, biodiversity and natural resources. This is the first unit name. In this you will learn all the concepts related to the natural resources like biotic, like this type of things you will learn. And the second unit name is environmental pollution, global issues and legalization. Environmental pollution, global issues and legalization. This is the second unit name. Okay, so how will be the question paper pattern means, in part A they will give 4 questions. First question, second question will come from unit number 1. Third question, fourth question will come from unit number 2. Out of that 4 questions, you need to attempt any 2 questions. Each carries 5 marks, okay. 5 into 2, 10 marks. Part A consisting of 10 marks. Part B will give only 2 questions. In each question you will have internal choice, means first question A, 1A and 1B will come from unit number 1. Second question, A and B will come from unit number 2. You need to attempt any either A or B. Each carries 15 marks. 15 into 2, 30 marks. 30 plus 10, 40 marks. Like this your question paper pattern will be, okay students. So in part A you will need to attempt any 2 questions. If you are perfect with the short questions of any one unit, it will be enough, okay. So in part B, long questions also I will give, so just try to look into that, okay students. So this is the 2 units which you will have. We'll discuss about the unit number 1, short questions, students, okay. So in part A it will be coming. So first important question is, what are the biotic components of the ecosystem? What are the biotic components of the ecosystem? So you need to explain about this. For 5 marks you need to write minimum 1.5 side page, okay. And the second important question is, what do you mean by biosphere? What do you mean by biosphere? This is also an important question. Third important question is, what do you mean by hydrosphere? Hydrosphere means which includes water. Hydro means water only, no ma. So what do you mean by hydrosphere? And the fourth important question is, what are genetic banks? What are genetic banks? So, and the fifth question is, what are the different resources of energy you are having, like solar energy, wind energy, tidal power, hydroelectricity power? These are all things, okay. And the important question is biogas. This is also an important question. Try to make a note of it. I will not at all provide any important questions PDF, okay. You should make note of it ma, okay. Biogas is an important question, and the rainwater harvesting is also an important question, and strategic minerals, these are all important questions for short, okay. So in previous year papers, what they have asked means, just I will discuss. What do you mean by decomposers? This is the question they have asked. And the second hotspot, they have asked hot spots. This is also an important question. And again, what they have asked means, what do you mean by biotic components of ecosystem? This is also an important question. And what do you mean by only decomposers? In first unit for short, decomposers, biotic components, as well as biogas, okay. So, and another important question is, wait 1 minute, hotspot. These are the 4 important questions for short in part A, okay. So this is the thing ma. So decomposers, hotspots, biotic components and the biogas, these are the 4 important questions you need to learn. And for long, what is important question means, components of, write a classification of ecosystem. This is also an important question. Classification of ecosystem, so repeatedly they are asking in the examination hall, so try to learn these questions for long. So for 15 marks it will ask, so what do you mean by classification of ecosystem? This is an important question. And the second important question is, write an account on rainwater harvesting and watershed management. Note on rainwater harvesting and watershed management. This is also an important question. And the third important question is, what is biodiversity, and write briefly about exercise conservation. Excite2 conversation. This is also an important long questions. Okay, so try to learn this 3 questions. It will be more than enough, ma. Okay, and you can learn what do you mean by biodiversity, like what do you mean by biodiversity, and explain the different types of ecosystem you are having. This is also an important question, so try to learn all these important questions. Basically it's a generalized subject, no, you can easily attempt by your own. Okay, so if you don't know the answer also try to give an attempt, because it's a generalized subject, everyone will get marks, right? You don't need to remember any you don't need to remember any side points, nothing. All the answers you should be prepared by your own. Okay, so this is the thing, you need to prepare like this. Okay, don't need to buy hard anything. Okay, so from second unit short questions we will discuss once. The first important question is, what do you mean by global warming? This is an important short question, so try to learn this. And the second most important question is wildlife protection act. Wildlife protection act is an important question because 2 times it has repeated in previous year question papers. Okay, so wildlife protection act is an important question. And the third important question is types of air pollution control equipments. What do you different types of air pollutants we are having, and what are the different remedial measures we should take for the air pollutants? Okay, this is in 3 important questions, you need to attempt it. Okay, so the long questions, what is the first important question is, describe briefly about the causes, effects and control measures of air pollution. Causes, effects and controls of air pollution, this is an important question, so you should learn this thing, ma. And the second important question is, discuss the role of information technology in environment and human health. Role of information technology in environment and human health, this is an important question. And the third important question is, briefly explain the causes and control measures of water pollution. Air pollution we have discussed, now it is water pollution. So air pollution, water pollution, as well as the just now have discussed information technology in environment and human health, this is also important question. And the last fourth important question is causes, effects of this is also over, disaster management. Disaster management, air pollution, water pollution and information technology, environment and human health, these are the 4 important questions for long I have given. And from unit number 1 also I have given, prepare these questions only. So for short, hotspot, wildlife protection act, decomposers, biotic components of this is the thing, 4 questions, most important questions, ma. You need to learn all these important questions for environmental studies. Okay, it's a generalized subject, mostly they will conduct these exams whether students are attempting this exam or not. For that purpose only, no need to worry about that. Okay, so just write, just prepare these questions, whatever the questions you can get, you should write that all questions, you need to attempt it. Okay, so if you possible try to attempt extra questions also, students. Okay, so this is all about the video. If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to our channel and share with all your friends and groups. This video will be useful for them also. And do comment in the comment section if you're having any further doubts related to this video. And start your preparation. In upcoming videos I will upload all the explanation videos also, don't worry about that. Okay, so this is all about the video. Once again, all the very best and thank you so much, students.